Uh, uh. Ugh. Oh, he got it again. Very nice. Very nice. Did that work? It did work. Nice. Cool. Oh, my back. Oh, my back. Oh, my back. Oh, my back. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I'm so sore. Anyway, hello Tanta, hello Blobby, hello Gugu, hello Kaz, hello Tony, hello other Hey You, hello Tanta again. How you doing? Welcome back. Oh, well, goddamn, getting all the achievements today. Yeah, well, spoiler for the patch notes, I had back achievements. Oh my god, really? Yeah, it's just gonna keep doing this, isn't it? We'll give it a second. Hold. There it is. Oh, hey, I got an achievement for streaming on Valentine's Day. Hell yeah. You had stuff? Maybe. A couple things. Really? Oh, yeah, right. Just streaming. Okay. Give it a second. You good? I think we're good. All right, there we go. Anyway, hello everybody. How are you doing? Welcome, welcome. I don't want to judge, but why is there someone on the cross? He had it coming. He died for our sins. All right, that's the law. Yeah. He died so we may live. But he served his purpose well. And for those that don't know, that's what I used to look like back in the early days of my streaming career. That was my character model that I used until I upgraded to this piece of shit. And then that one became redundant. But he carried me for a whole year and got me to where I am, and none of this would have been possible without him. So I thought it good to commemorate a shrine in his honor. I just made a very disrespectful shrine, just to show he is dead. You know. Has somebody already queued up? This isn't. God damn it. Oh wait, no, wait. Hold up. Oh, okay, that's interesting. The playlist or the queue from last stream is still queued up. It doesn't clear, I guess. Or maybe I just haven't played Spotify since then. But wow, would you look at that? The queue's still there, so all your songs are still. Yeah, you're welcome. I did actually limit the channel point to once or 5 per stream, so you get 5 off cooldown song requests per stream. But then after that, you have to use a command which has a 5-minute cooldown. So, yeah, this might be the best way to spend Valentine's Day with chaos here, right? Who needs significant others? Fuck that, cringe. That's what everyone else is doing, but not us, boys. Not us. We have bigger priorities. As the stream title says, we got money. And that's it. That's all that matters. That's the only thing that matters in life is money. Then there's Minecraft on the other corner. Yeah, I added that just because I like the skin. And we were that for like 7 streams. So not as significant, but I like how he looks. A little, I don't know, nostalgia hit when I look at him. I remember all the times playing Minecraft. Beautiful. I love the Fiverr scam model. It's grown on me, even though it's a piece of shit. It's grown on me. Is that 5 for everyone or 5 in general? It's 5 per person, per user, per stream. So you're welcome. Hey clone, hey glitch, how you doing? Spending Valentine's Day with Finny Winnie. Oh, you gotta stop calling me that. You gotta stop calling me that. There's only one other person, actually 2 other people in my life that ever called me that. And, I'd rather not be reminded. There's 3 guarantees in life. Death, taxes, and Finn losing his mind due to us. Well, I mean... Yeah, it's not far off. Can't join. Sorry, it's Valentine's Day, so I'm playing the Lego Movie video game. Basically, I'm here for attendance, so have a good stream. You could just say I'm here for attendance. That sums that up. Hey, Synth. How dare you? Anyway, let's just get into the patch notes. Alright, so, first of all, achievements, as we've been seeing. What does that say? Reached 10 viewers, hell yeah. I need to make it so, alright. Feedback, achievement UI. It just got feedback. Feedback achievements. There you go. Alright, it's a bit stupid. Is attendance actually a thing? It's not technically attendance, but I do track every single stream and who shows up and for how long and the amount of messages they say and stuff. And then every now and then I'll add a feature that shows your attendance. It happens every season. And then when I go back over it, people like to see a lot of attendance or have the highest attendance numbers. So, why did that? Oh, was that Spotify? Right. So yeah, it kind of is a thing, but not really. Not right now. But eventually I'll add back a way to check your guys' attendances and I do a little leaderboard of the most attendanced. So yeah, technically a thing. Next up, I've reverted to the previous hand system with poses. So yeah, I spent the whole previous day just removing the cool hand system. God, the Spotify lag is insane. I think that was that Spotify lag? What the fuck just lagged me out there? F12. Oh, it's Opal joining. Right, yeah, there's always lag the first time someone joins. Right, come on in, Opal. Come on in. Where is he? You alive, bud? There he is. Alright, cool. So yeah, I revert to the previous hand system. So no more cool physics hands. Oh, God. And bugs to go with. Interesting. So I can grab it when I'm holding on the other one. That's not good. Feedback hand grab. I got that. Nice. Hey, Kaz. Hey. Why did that? This is Leafs, isn't it? Hi, Scara. Hi, Kingsloth. Hi, Facetious. Hi, Horkoma. Just dropping in for attendance. Even Fox is doing it now. Everyone's just come for attendance. He's half in a water. No, I'm just soggy. I'm not a mermaid. I'm just soggy. Okay, yeah, this is. I'm gonna have to skip this. I hate musicals. Leaf's not here, so he can't complain. What was that? Be killed? Who died? God damn it. What was that? The whole song? What is this? What the fuck? This is actually just. This is 1 hour of silence broken occasionally by R. Do I have to listen to this? I mean, it is a song request. Oh, frozen again. Hey Zoro, hey Zen, hey Dolev, how you doing? Where are the bombs? They're behind me. They're over that way. I made it so you can't just spam them in front of me. What is this lag? What the fuck? Is it? I think it is people joining. Why does that lag so bad? Dear God. Well, okay, yeah, I'm gonna skip this. I'm sorry, I have to. I'm very tired. Right, me too. Me too. I went to the gym yesterday. My neck hurts now, for some reason. It's not my arms anymore, my neck's just fucked. What the fuck is this? Do you mind? Excuse me. Thank you. Anyway, how is Scara connected to the show/game? He is? Well, how are people dying so much? We've only just died. Anyway, yeah. So we've reverted to the previous hand system. Just getting back on track. So now you'll see when I pull the trigger, I actually pull the trigger. How nice is that? I can also spin again, which is nice. Got some hand poses going on. So yeah, it's just basically back to the old system. Only problem is, you see that? The physics are nowhere near as good. I threw it that way, it went that way. I don't know what I'm doing with physics, so it's just kind of a mess. And also my hand can like go through the floor now and stuff and through my head. But honestly, who gives a fuck? It doesn't matter. Cool hands were cool, but it wasn't meant to be. Yeah. Oh, and also the same thing with grabbing people. Not quite up to par yet. Hopefully that didn't just bug you out. I didn't give up. It's just, it would have taken a lot of time to figure out how to fix it. Going through all the asset code and stuff, figuring it out. That's a lot of time that I don't have to figure shit out when I could be making content. Because I'm, I'm on a deadline, right? So like, I gotta rush. So no. But like, yeah, maybe one day. But I'm not promising anything. Anywho, I've separated chat and network TTS. So you can hear that people in game now have TTS, but chat doesn't. Made them two separate things. Also, in-game chat is now higher pitched, sort of byte sounding TTS, whereas regular chat would just be normal TTS. So you sound a little bit cuter, being little robots. It does sound kind of. I think it sounds better. I think it sounds cuter. What did you mean with I'm in the One Piece? That's just not what I said, but everyone just took the One Piece part of it. Okay, I'll explain the joke to you if I must. All right. Jesus Christ. Nobody gets my advanced sense of humor. Also the contrast is back. Where's Look, this was the conversation. You see this, and seeing this is Valentine's Day, I was like, fuck it, I'll be nice. And then, so I sent this thing. I was like, I'm up. What did I miss? And then Potato responded by saying the world exploded. And then I said, but Scar appears to be in One Piece. And then they all just focus on the One Piece part of that. What I was trying to say was, Scar is my world, but he's not exploded. He's in One Piece, But nobody got it. Nobody freaking got it. So, swing and a miss, I guess. So just take the compliment. Just take the compliment. Anyway, what? Wait, what's? Got it. Oh shit! Well, how are people dying so much? But see, I was being nice. You can't hear me in game? No? Can you hear me in game? No? Somebody said they hear me. See, Hawk hears me. In game? See? I've been lied to. Deceived. Oh, yeah, no. Yeah, you guys don't hear yourselves. Because I don't know how I would even go about doing that. You can make it so... What is this now? 20 views. Hell yeah. It's because it uses Google Cloud. So if you set up your own Google Cloud account and connected it and put it in all the right places, then you could theoretically hear your own TTS. I just didn't think anyone would be asked to do that because it's annoying setting up Google Cloud stuff. You have to I think you might even have to put in your credit card details because it might eventually cost money if you use too much of it. So I just thought nobody would do that. And that is no, actually no. TTS is something that's been here for years. That's one. There's some consistency in my stream, like my model, TTS, Twitch integration, bytes now pretty consistent. There's things that just always show up. Hi, bye, Dharma. Watching. Watching. I'll be playing this when I eventually quit Twitch. This will be my farewell song. Not that you guys in game can hear it, but tune. So later this year, I guess I'll be playing that. Oh my god! Stretch. Oh my god. Oh my god. Anyway, let's get through the... Wait, where'd the patch notes go? What the fuck? Okay, well, they're gone. Oh my god, I need to find a better way. I can't actually see what the achievement is. 100 chat messages. I have gun. I got gun, but I'm not giving you gun. See, gun. It work. It functional. Okay, next up, bit redeems, which you can see up there. I've only added one, which is just TTS. But like, I've connected up the system now, so we can get bit redeems back, which will be nice. It should theoretically work. I don't know if it will. I haven't tested it, so that, you know, we'll see if it gets triggered. But yeah, until then, we'll just have to wait. And then also cheat. Wait, is that it? Did I really not add that much? I guess not. I guess a lot of my time was spent just ripping out the hand system. Alright. Get out of here. Or what? Oh, I need to add killing myself back. Also, I added well, it was broken before, but I managed to... Hold up. That's... What? It's like spawning under the ground. Oh, fuck it. So many bugs, dude. Thank you, book eating boy. Another Valentine's alone. Anyone else alone on Valentine's, or you guys got plans? This is just me. I'll be playing a lot of metal songs again once I have my PC. Well, you're only limited to 5 channel point redeem ones now, so you're gonna have to use the command, which has a 5-minute cooldown instead. I'm always alone? Hell yeah. Good point. To be fair, yeah, if you're here, you probably don't have a Valentine's. Bless. It's fine, Who needs a Valentine's? Valentine's cringe. Right? You have to spend money to, like, treat your significant other. You have to spend time with them that you could be using to, I don't know, make money instead of losing it. There's no complications. There's no emotions involved. I like that they're using my my campfire. Well, the cats are, yeah. That's a nice Valentine's. See, I wouldn't spend it with my cat. He's a dick, but it's better to be alone than with my cat. My friend literally told me he was late to class because he did nasty with his girlfriend before class. Things I didn't know. You know, things I didn't need to know for 100. What? And I get none. Well, don't we all? Don't we all? If you got some, you wouldn't be here. Let's just say that. On Valentine's Day. But anyway, yeah, no, it's fine. It's fine. What kind of house? Made of, hopefully not twigs or straw. Gold. You want a golden house. Submit it with the request department and it will be processed. You're not respawning? What do you mean you're not respawning? Oh god, what's happened? Why wouldn't you respawn? What the hell? Define not respawning. Huh. It's locked at 0 seconds. What? Wait, nobody can respawn now? Ah, oh, for fuck's sake. Why? What? Why? God. Well, I guess we'll just get into development then, dear God. Oh, Goddamn, what's that? Am I immortal? Die 100 times. Okay, everyone's just... Maybe that's why. Maybe everyone's just repeatedly dying. Maybe that's why the freaking things are going up so much. Ah, my hair! Head offset. Oh, good microphone. Mouse. Oh, mouse makes my hands go in the ground. Good shit. Yeah, there's a lot of bugs. I haven't tested much of this. Right. First of all, why the fuck? So you're not respond. Also, do you like my my new thingy? Look at this new screen share place. It's got like it's got vines. Control. Dead. If you're the host and you're dead, there's no reason why I wouldn't. I don't get it. I don't get it. Why? It makes no sense. Press F12, I guess, and send what it says or something. Dude, I don't know. I don't know, dude. Okay, one thing at a time. First of all, just gonna fix the obvious bugs. It'd be nice to get this project up to a point where there's just no bugs. That would be lovely. That'll probably fix it. But like, also press F12 or F11 or whatever it is, and send that, because then we can try and figure out what's wrong. Straight path to development hell, exactly. Just somewhere in the Discord. Anywhere in the Discord. Because it doesn't make sense. Does it? Like, if... it would only show if we go... camera... here. It's only going to show... dead if this... no, so if it's dead... then it just sets it to that. So this is true. But this shouldn't be. Unless you guys are manually setting it. Okay, I have an idea why it might be doing it. You guys, client-wise, might be setting it to true. Wait! Did it only happen when I shot you? Or did you just fall out the world and it didn't let you respawn? Like, how did you die? That doesn't help. What do you mean you have no idea? Did you fall off the map or were you shot? Those are the only two ways that you can die. A or B? One or two? That was an either or question. You think... oh, God. Dear God. Dear God. Okay, let's just add something to debugging. Here. Dead. Sync dead. No? Ah, shit. If player get my player out player is true, dead becomes player is dead. Alright, so that's how we can tell if you're dead. It's probably set into true, even though it should be false. So there's just something not lining up somewhere. So the only places that it gets set to true is here, and I've just added that, so that should stop you guys from changing it. Only I'm meant to change that. The voice is for changing your accent, not for sending a TTS message. Just dumb. Yeah. Can we add music inside the game now? No. No. Because then everyone would need to have Spotify. And that's just not a consistent thing. Yeah, I need to have more stuff for you guys to do. That's what we were going to do today, was add more items. I was thinking maybe a jetpack. Maybe. Might be a nice start. An easy start. But then I don't know. I don't know if I want you guys flying around. At least maybe not a manned jetpack. Yeah, if you're permadead, just try relogging. That should fix it. Yeah, it was either limited fuel or no control. I think no control would be funnier. Yeah, so you're just stuck there. So it says you're dead, but you're not, which is annoying. But I think I've solved the problem. Like that. Yeah, the only places that it's set into true is that. All right, cool. So that might be one problem solved. Now onto the list of other problems. Where the metal song's coming from? I'm pretty sure Zen. This is like everything you guys queued up last stream. The playlist wasn't reset, or the queue wasn't reset, so it's still got everything. But there is quite a lot, so I might have to. I don't want to have too much heavy metal. This is from a time when there was no cooldown, so I might skip ahead. Oh god, what's that? I can't even read that. What does that say? Oh, follower, hell yeah. Welcome, Maddie. Yeah, I need to make it so I can see achievements in game. Or even when I'm coding. Do not skip. But it's just a lot of heavy metal. It's too much. I don't mind the occasional, but like this is a lot. This is a lot. Oh god, everyone thinks the voice channel point redeem is to TTS. Okay, I need to add something to that to make it apparent. It's to change your accent, not to say something. Not text to speech. I'll add that to the start of it. Not text to speech. Yeah, I don't feel like I need to stick around. I'm just gonna be working. There isn't much to do in game. I gotta stop letting people into the game because like I feel bad. There's nothing to do currently. But now that I've got this new hand system set up, I should be able to just drag all the stuff that I used before over. So like the flamethrower and stuff. If you're gonna skip refund my points, maybe. Maybe. I'm gonna skip ahead to there. And I'll refund your points just because you are so nicely. Requests. God damn, there's a lot of music requests. I'm working on it. There you go. Thou hath been refunded. Very nice. I like this guy's priorities, right? All right. Well, now the queue is back open. But just try and get a nice even distribution. Like we can have like a bunch of heavy metal, but make it like every other song, every 2 songs, because it gets a bit much. You know, I'm not much of a heavy metal guy, so like I don't mind it occasionally, but if it's every single song, you know, maybe wait a few minutes. Oh god, what's that one now? 1K channel points already. Oh right. When you refund it counts as, oh god, triggering it again. Wait, oh no, it's fine. Interesting. Yeah, I've had it in the past that when you refund channel points, it re-triggers them all, so then it's just like spammed every single channel point redeem. But luckily we only have 3 at the moment, so. Can I join the game? You can. I mean, there's not much to do, I do warn you. But you can. Just, well, I actually added a new command for this, !mark tutorial. And it sort of gives you a little rundown of what you have to do. Hey, Van Canterus, how you doing? We're just coding, doing the codes. Yeah, I don't know. It's just same old, basically. Same old. I'm actually gonna just set up some more spawn points real quick. The 80s. Oh, shit. Okay, where is this? There. Okay, so we'll set 1 spawn point. 1 there. 1 there. We're just gonna have a bunch of spawn points around the island now. There you go. Alright, now we got 9 different spawn points. I'm just doing like all the little things that need to be done before I get into the bigger features, you know. Also, actually, I'm gonna turn on Twitch TTS. So you guys should have your messages TTS now. You got the wrong tutorial in chat. What do you mean? Well, that's right to me. No, you can. Alright, what was next? Next up, oh, get the hands all sorted. Just get this all, okay. Get this all fine and dandy. The 80s. Yeah, I'm really liking how this island's looking up. I made it surround me, for those that didn't notice. It goes all the way around me now, which is quite cool. Right, it's got full 360. The only issue is I can't really look behind me. Wait, what happens if I turn my head around? Does my thing handle it? Not really. Yeah. That's not great. That's not great. Oh god, I'm getting caught up in my cables. Alright, let's turn on mouse. Oh shit. It's not gonna listen, is it? Damn it. Shit. Is TTS broken for me? Some voices are broken. Yeah, so you see this. It does. It's just the voice that you have is fucked. There's some bad voices. Some voices just don't work. So you need to change your voice with the channel point redeem. Because, yeah, I don't know why. It's just like invalid argument, just some weird error. Doesn't support speaking rate or pitch parameters at this time. Fucking Google. Adds new shit. Gets rid of old shit. New shit doesn't fucking work. Fucking Google. That you are. But yeah, if you want to change your voice, just use the It do. There should be a list, the Google Cloud list of voices that work. But you just type into the voice channel point redeem, you just type in German and it'll give you a German voice. Easy peasy. Now how do I frickin' oh, this is a banger. Where is it? Head up, desktop. We'll just make that true. Yeah. I see you, Scar. I see what you're queuing up. I see you. A movie system, what would that entail? Like sharing my screen or just watching YouTube videos? It is. Yeah, just to make it a bit less sketchy than like a Google Drive link. Oh, see you soon. Yeah. You want to watch YouTube? Okay, so yeah, the problem with that is YouTube changed their system. It does. £80 or 70. So don't say I never do nothing for you guys. I paid £70 just to make your lives easier. But yeah, YouTube it's made it harder to like I guess to avoid sort of bots and shit or copyright. They made it harder to Oh, I'm stupid. It was working all along. Fuck. I just was in the wrong scene. They made it harder to sync up their API to play just YouTube videos. So, I have no idea how to do that. But it's fine. We don't need to watch videos anyway. I ain't no reaction streamer. The website's crapping out at me. It did do that. I was actually thinking about streaming on YouTube soon. Like once I have enough stuff, I want to start streaming on YouTube and TikTok. Multi-stream that shit. That could, yeah. But then what about the video? I don't know. Just I'm trying to work. Not going so well. I keep getting distracted. What is Instagram in game? Bro, can't you just get your phone out and watch Instagram? Why do I have to put it in my game and make it all difficult and stuff? Alright. Mouse. There we go. Oh, it's the right level there. So why is it the right level here, not the right level here? Because look, it's in the ground here. It's perfectly fine here. Why is this different? What's the difference? There is no difference. Okay, well, what if I just raise it by an arbitrary number? Left and right. I just raise it up a bit. Maybe that's high enough. Maybe that's not. I can't tell. I'm just gonna hope it is. Yeah, I'm not adding Subway Surfers. No, you must suffer. Your Subway Surfers is the players, the bites. They can entertain you. Guys, in game, do something funny. Their attention span is already running out. You had to flip. Nice. Well, you're not getting any. You get Subway Surfers when you earn Subway Surfers. No. Yeah, there you go. You got a voice now. See? It was. Alright, what was I doing next? What else is broken? No, you don't. Hand grabbing, oh yeah, achievements I need to show that in game or something. So there is a thing. No, there isn't. Sag. They should eventually install. On oh god, achievement unlocked. That invoke the achievement. There. And then alerts. And we can just make it an alert. Fuck it. What was that? Let me guess, more deaths. Yep. God, you guys die a lot. Private void on achievement. And then we add message. Achievement unlocked. Plus achievement description. We only need the name. And we'll make that... Exactly. We'll make that green. Green? Actually, no, not green. Maybe not green. Blue. We'll make it blue. Are you? Good shit. And we'll make that a high priority. Oh, an achievement for getting achievements. On achievement. Okay, there we go. So now, whenever I get an achievement, it'll show it in my alerts section, so I can actually see what achievement I'm getting. Because I can't see it in-game. Alright, there we go. That's another thing off the list. Achievements done. That was a mistake, so I can just get rid of that. Still got loads of things to do. Loads of things. Oh, I added cigarettes. You can't actually smoke them, but I added them. Playable keyboard. All these items. Let's just get rid of these. I feel like the government said that copyright laws exist. What game thing are the achievements? They're just like random things that happen. So we got sort of view account achievements, stream duration, follower levels, total number of messages sent, a number of times I've streamed, festivals, which are things like today, Valentine's Day, Christmas, total number of subs, total number of gifted subs, total number of gifted subs at once, bits, raids, number of raid viewers, timeouts, bans, channel points, partners in chat, deaths, and more events. Oh, events like... yeah, stuff like that. But the bikes don't really get achievements. Achievements are more for me, not for the players. I don't know what the players would even be able to do. Like murdering fellow players, maybe. Family Guy and Subway Surfers in every single damn game. Bruh. Alright, what next? I think that's everything from the list of bugs. Oh, and there's players I can't grab for some reason. Okay, who wants to help me figure out what's going on with the grabbing? And I'm talking to in-game players right now. Anyone? Gugu, why are you dressed as a maid? Anyone? I need some help. Alright. When I grab you, I need you to send a screenshot of what you see. Or if you just die, then just tell me that you died. So, what happens? Okay. That kind of works. I mean, you're attached to my wrist in the wrong place, but at least you didn't die this time. How do you do that? You just flew like 100 feet into the air. How do you do that? Oh, actually, I do. Actually, I saw... What's Hawk doing? Anyway, if I drop... Oh, I'm pretty sure you just die. Oh, I think I might know what happens there. I think I might know what happens. For a split second, you teleport to 0-0. Because right now, locally, your point is 0-0. But for a second, you're like down there at 0-0, which is underwater, which gets you killed. Interesting. And the same thing when I let go of you. Yeah, interesting. So it kills you. Yeah, Hawkoma for some reason is just, if you run into Hawk, you might just get sent into the stratosphere. You're alive for a second. That's probably just the delay of me killing you over the network. I don't know. You seem to be pinging people into the air. So Gugu, run into Hawk. See what happens. Oh, not anymore. No, that's long gone. I mean, I could always add it back. No. I think I know what the problem is. I saw it last stream because Bass figured it out. There there's a bug. Well, I don't know if it's a bug, but if you just turn your sensitivity up to like a bajillion, and you run into someone and you just spin it around, because your guy has physics, it'll basically just smack the shit out of them at like hypersonic velocities, and send people like that. If you do that next to someone, it can sometimes like glitch them out. So somebody run into King Sloth. I don't know how Bass did it, but he did it quite well last stream. Okay. No, you can't all spin. Somebody run into the people doing the spinning. Or maybe the people doing the spinning run into the other people. I don't know how he did it. I'll show you what he did. I'll show you. Look. We'll do a VOD review. You're really on a government rant right now, aren't you? Video producer. Well, it is, I guess, technically. Look at this. No, wait, you're not gonna be able to see it. My big head blocking it. Where does he do it? I think it goes around here. But keep an eye on that little traffic cone blue motherfucker that likes to spin. I think it's here. Yeah, you see that? You see that? Not sure who that was. I think that might have been Google or something. But somebody went up to him, tries to get on top of him, and just got flung into the stratosphere. You see that? You see for like a second they go up. And there's somebody else. Look, and somebody else got knocked back. Like he was just spinning like mad, and it was knocking people around. See, look at that. It's a thing. It's a real thing. I guess Bass is the only one that can do it. The only one that's figured it out. Look at that. They literally launch into the air. It's pretty cool. I think Kaz was trying to imitate. But yeah, anyway, that's what I was talking about. Look at who? Who, where, what, where? Is it just on top of that? Yeah, I stream every... Actually, no, I don't. I lie. I do need to come up with a schedule. I'm watching. Not seeing anything. Is it only on my head that works? Experiment. Demonstrate. Yeah, okay. So maybe it's... And so it doesn't do it on flat ground then? Try doing it on flat ground. Gugu, come out into the open. We got to settle this. All right. So if we're just on flat ground, does that work? Would you have to be sitting down? Like, what are the conditions here? Yeah, see, it doesn't do it there. Or at least not as consistently. So what are the rules here? What are the rules? How can I fix this? Actually, do I even want to fix it? Maybe it's... Why high ground? Well, as long as it's not something that can be abused and it only happens every now and then, I don't see the problem in leaving it in, you know? So... Yep, what the fuck you want? What reclamation? Okay. Zen's just starting a fucking revolution. Good to know. Anyway, what was I doing? I gotta do some shit. I gotta make it a productive stream because every single stream I've done for the past like 5 streams has been so unproductive. Toys. I guess I should look at what toys I have left over from VTuberverse and just copy them over. Bro, which one's your government? Which government got you so upset? Right here. VTuberverse. Assets, resources, items. Liechtenstein. What? One united Earth empire. Hell no. Hell no, because you just know it's going to be US led. The US are going to be want to be the kings of it, and China actually as well, and Russia. They're all going to want to be the head, and then it's just going to be a mess. All right. So these are all the possible things we could do. Which one would be the easiest? I think I should get a pen in. A pen would be nice. So, because then I can draw. The only issue is, but then I have to synchronize it over the network. Or do I just not synchronize it? What's my head? That's a lot of data. Yeah. Try turning off like post-processing and, well, there are no shadows to begin with, but there's no render distance either anymore. Is there resolution? Maybe turn that down? I don't know. Yeah, there's not much in the scene, so like it shouldn't take much. You know, there's only like some sand, some trees, some things in the background, and that's it. That's You can try capping your frame rate. And then again, actually I don't think that'll do anything. Right. Alright, I can't be asked to synchronize over the network. Cannot be forked. Oof. Please tell me it's not integrated graphics card. Item pen. It's the wings. It's the wings causing the lag. Yes. Me or the robots? I am quite a robotic guy, I'll be honest. Item pen. Right. Oh, shit. How am I going to do colors? Pen line. What are you going to use it for? Are you a LARPer? Hey Ty, welcome. To look epic. That checks out. Are you alright, Zen? You seem to be having a bit of an episode there. On grabbed. Let's do that. Sorry, I'm busy tomorrow. Oh, what day is it tomorrow? Is it Saturday tomorrow? Yeah, I'm streaming tomorrow, bud. Sorry. Don't want that, actually. Alright, there we go. We got a pen. That should just work. Hopefully. I've got to set like the pose and shit, but that should just work. Right? It was only New Year like yesterday. I don't know how to do that. I think right now it's actually I have no idea what it is. I don't know what any of that means. I don't know computer terms. I just know Unity-ish, sort of. Barely. Why would you do that? They're harmless-ish. Pen, that there. Draw threshold. Spacing. Yeah, don't touch it. It's very hot. Tip. Width. They are. Well, 07. 07. It's fine. It's fine to just be a Twitch view, you know? Nothing wrong with that. Wait, if you die in the fire? Hold up. Oh, yeah, that'll also do it. If you die in the fire, you're going to have to relog. Yep. Yeah. Because, you see here, when you go into the fire, it triggers the killer script. And the killer script overrides your death to always true. This should only be controlled by me. I've changed it now, but it won't be updated in the current build. So, yeah, rest in pieces. Don't touch the fire. Okay, is that good? God, this app is getting so slow now. Just the more shit you add, the slower it gets. You want to throw other people? What? Alright. Pen. Oh my god. I need a new computer, dude. I'll be honest. My computer's dying. It's so old and slow now. But I have been pushing it to its limit for years, so it's kind of understandable. But it's about to kick the bucket. I don't know, what did you hear? Tip. Oh no. Tip. That. We don't even need that. Colors. White. And like that. Alright, cool. And then we need a hand pose. So create hand pose, pen. And I set this pretty cool system. It doesn't exist right now. But it used to. It used to exist. Back in the good old days. When I had my shit together. Alright, I'll show you how this works. It's pretty cool. Oh, actually, wait a sec. Do we even have the model? We don't. Okay. Let's drag over the model then. Assets, imports, models. We'll get the pen. Drag that into here. Wait for it. That's they don't even have genitalia to begin with. They are gender neutral. Seeing as, you know, they're robots. They don't have gender. It's very, very woke, very progressive. To you know, you just the bytes get to choose their gender because they don't have genitalia, so then they just be whatever they want to be. That sums them up very well. So we drag item. If agenda is the word for it, then agenda they are. Probably. That makes sense. Yes. Not my problem. It's not my problem. Oh, wait, are you still getting stuck in this little bit? Oh, I'll move the fucking mushroom then. Bruh, just don't go near the mushrooms. Mushrooms are bad. I ain't getting you out of there. You have to get yourself out of there. Alright. I think that's all good. Yeah, let's pose this hand. So look at this. I've got a very, very cool system for like setting hand poses now. It's much easier than it was before. I'll tell you that. Yeah. Well, so sometimes you have to put, you know, more stats into more important things. So you take some stats out of eyesight, put them into like knowledge or attractiveness. Unfortunately, all of mine just got put into my brain, which had the side effect of making my head bigger. So, you know, worth question mark. What they don't tell you is brains don't actually guarantee anything. What's that? Oh, we streamed for an hour. Hell yeah. All right, we'll go here. Go to local mode. We'll take the middle finger, the ring finger, and the pinky, and we'll bend that shit. Womp womp indeed. Woe is me. Nothing. We're just okay. Bye, whoever that is. Oh yeah, of course it's Gugu. Honestly, I don't even know why he comes by. He comes by, says it's boring, leaves. Should be better if he didn't come by at all. Alright, that. That. There you go. I think that's alright. That is good enough for drawing. That's kinda how I hold a pen. Actually, is that how I hold a pen? Do I even have a pen? Oh, yeah. Oh, no, I don't actually hold a pen like that. I have my middle finger supporting the bottom. Whatever. Doesn't need to be accurate. So then we go here, we go and we drag this in. And we save. And it's saved, and then we flip it. And it mirrors it in not the right way. That would actually. That would be quite cool. Hey, dog! Wait, what was that achievement? Have a Twitch partner join the stream. Oh, yeah, right. They've all been reset. Hey, dog! How you doing? I doing things today. Look at this. I'm making pens so we can redo our little Pictionary battle. So I can defeat you a second time. Because there's nicer ways to say it, alright? There's nicer ways to say it. Just because I say it's boring doesn't mean that you're allowed to say it's boring. Two very different things. Alright. Honestly, this pen's actually a bit big. But oh well. Oh well, fuck it. Save. Yeah. Exactly. You just gotta fill in the blanks with your own imagination. Alright. Yeah, it's pretty goofily large. So it's just an empty space. Okay. You think you're all so funny, don't you? You think you're hilarious. Just bullying. I know. I've reset my project like 5 times. I know. There's nothing in it because I keep changing and then restarting, and there's nothing in it. And I change and then restart, and there's nothing in it. And the cycle repeats. What? Oh, this is getting philosophical. Alright. Pen. We have pen. And it... Ooh. Why does it draw like that? That's weird. Why is that like that? But we got a pen. And it draws. Just really weirdly. Maybe because it's too thick. Might be too thick a boy. Yeah, pretty much. Somebody queued up an hour, occasionally interrupted by the R sound. So go for it. Let's try making the starting width. Yeah, potentially. But if you do queue it up and I find out who queued it up, there will be public executions. So, scan new pen. Why is it so weird? You know what it is? You know what it is? It's fucking skinned mesh renderers. Skinned mesh renderers are so janky. Look at that. What? I look at that. I draw a line. But anytime I go up or down, it does a zigzag. Oh no, just up, I guess. Unless I go too far. Oh, what even is this? Can you guys see that? Look at that. Why is it zigzagging? It's bullshit. Also, it's got an outline as well. Probably shouldn't have an outline. But yeah. You fixed AI pathing and broke it again today. Yeah, yeah. Is that using the Unity nav mesh thingy? Or have you come up with a custom A star something or other? All that. Why is it's because of the skin mesh renderer. It's just weird. You have to be specific enough that it will find it. It's like if you searched into Spotify as like a query, the first song is what it picks. So it has to be that accurate, you know, that it comes up as the first result. But yeah, a Unity asset is still A star. Why not just use the normal one? What does the asset do that Unity doesn't? Because like the Unity one seems fairly like simple-ish. Like it doesn't break that often. So like, what's the benefit of the thing? Hey, wrong West. Okay, yeah, ships is a bit more complicated. What have you got cooking, Doig? What have you got cooking? Are you gonna make that game you made ages ago? You know the one. You're remaking that, but like multiplayer and on your stream. Cause that'd be cool. Little throwback. No, shame. Then again, you're in an airship, so it wouldn't really work, would it? I will be watching. Shit. My bad. Alright, that's in the moonlight. I feel like somebody tried to put on not this song. Unless somebody wanted the cover of Dancing in the Moonlight. Oh wait, unless this is part of the playlist. Oh yeah, the playlist is over, I think. Oh, it's not. Yeah, it's just playing the tropical playlist. Wait, this is your song? What do you mean your song? This song? By Kian Sang and Matilda Waldner? I'm so confused. What does that mean? Am I missing something here? Am I dreaming? Let me just pinch myself real quick. No, it's definitely still alive. Still awake. I think. Am I being gaslit? Is that what? I don't actually know what gaslighting is. Am I being bamboozled? What is... Oh, wait a second. It's Valentine's Day, isn't it? Yeah. I'm getting it now. I'm catching on. I'm catching on. Doig's just flirting with me. All right, cool. Nice. Wait, shouldn't you be doing Valentine's things, Doig? Isn't this like a day to be with your partner? You know, instead of on my stream. Your girlfriend's watching you watch me. Am I cucking your girlfriend? Understandable. Yeah, fuck Valentine's Day. Bullshit. Anyway, how am I going to fix this problem? Also, yeah, the music queue is open for anyone that wants to. I should wait. Has it broken? Wait a second. I think it's broken. Somebody queue up something. Somebody queue up a song. Exclamation mark music followed by a song name. Actually, I can just do it myself. Yeah, I don't think it's queuing up. Why does it break sometimes but not other times? Why? What the hell? To be honest, I did get a thing yesterday that was like, Spotify's going to be changing how it works soon. Why does it only work like 50% of the time? Twitch... it just can't handle leggy data. Fuck. Because it's still searching for them. So like that part of it's working. It's finding the query and like searching for it and getting the music and the song. But then it's just not queuing it up. I don't know why. I don't know. Why wouldn't it? So it gets to here. Valentine's Day was created to sell condoms. Changed my mind. It's big condom. They're trying to manipulate the market. But yeah, it should add it to. Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh, another one. I don't. You don't need to be late for that. Var q equals true. Wait, true question mark? Okay, give me a second. I'll one thing at a time. Yield return q. Yield return new. Wait until q completed. That's just this completed. Okay. Now it should at least wait for it to be added, and if it doesn't never add, it won't send this. Alright. Yeah, this is a task. I don't know why I was just trying to call it like a method. You can't do that. Anyway, what's broken? What break? What break? Give me a second. Hello? Okay. What? Who break what bug? Where? That's not a bug. That's a. Why do I even bother? Why do I even bother? Why do I even bother? Hey, Twitchy King. Uh-huh. Anyway. And what was I doing? My mind, you scattered my brain. Pen. Right. I don't know how to fix this problem. I don't know how to fix this problem. The problem being, for some reason, Unity is a little bitch when it comes to skinned mesh renderers and bones and stuff. It's in the mail. Am I just gonna have to manually add these? I'm just gonna have to manually add them, aren't I? It's infuriating. Also, we're gonna get abracadabra every single stream. I think the answer is yes. All right. No, I'm just manually queuing them up now to replace my program's failings. I don't know why I wouldn't do this. It's so annoying. Add to queue. This is the Rack Tiki Toe by the Tiger King. I thought he was in prison. Debugging.log Spotify queued plus song name plus and then any exceptions that come from the result. Oh, what did you what? That's not a song, is it? I mean, if I restart the program, it would probably start working again. And yeah, it needs to be on Spotify. Ah, right. Or that's just the lyrics. That's not actually the name, is it? There's My Cows Hate This Shit, but My Daughter Loves It. That's a song. I don't see that. I don't know. Guess we'll find out. By Metro Goldia. Fuck, I'll add it to queue. Why not? Let's figure out. Unrelated. Oh my god, it's actually a real thing. How do I... No, that didn't work. I meet. I met. I meet. Okay, that's where you went wrong. It's I meet, not I met. I meet this cow named Oats, and he loves songs that had no drums, so I listened to Oats and made this song have no drums. I think when something that specific, yeah, you got to be very, very specific. So skill issue. Wait, you know members of this band? Pog? You know the Tiger King? Well, that is definitely a skill issue. All right, let's look up, just while I have focus, Unity bone parent position. Wrong. Oh, shit. All right, I'm going to ask ChatGPT. A couple of animators from Sydney. But they also do music? That's pretty good. Do you just know, like, every animator? How many animators do you know? I'm using Unity and have a rigged model. The problem is the positions is when I what makes an uncool animator? When I parent an item to the hand and then try to get the transform dot position of the item, it returns a so then by default there is no such thing as a cool animator if they're all cool. If every animator is cool, then none of them are, you know. So checkmate. If everybody's special, then nobody's special. Dash The Incredibles. It returns a slightly incorrect position. Or animators aren't everybody, but everybody can be an animator. So, I don't know what I'm getting at here. Floating point precision errors, no, not that. Yeah, right. Except me. Oh, and yeah, Scar I can't either. Oh, that's no, yeah, no. No. Yeah, that's also one. But I'm talking about Dash when he says it in the car on the way back from the principal's office, and his mum is like, "Everybody's special, Dash," and then he's like, "Ah, that's just a way of saying nobody is." So, boom. I've watched that movie way too many times. Okay, that's ChatGPT is useless. I guess I have to fix this shit myself. We'll figure out what's wrong. Yeah, I see what we did there. No, he is. Then again, thoughts on Incredibles 2. I'm not projecting an opinion yet. I might like it, I might not. I've heard mixed reviews. Exclamation mark code, and that should. But, or is there no but? Wait, there's already something called test. Ooh, true. Without Iron Giant, we wouldn't have Groot. Or at least Vin Diesel as Groot. Whoa! Ban him. Wait, Giga, I thought you left to go play Marvel Rivals or something. What are you still doing here? But yeah, no, I liked Incredibles 2. It definitely wasn't as good as the first one. The first one had some dark moments, but the second one was just a bit more Disney rather than Pixar. But I do hope they make more. You know, even if it wasn't as good. Why are we even doing that? Private transform target update target night. No. I thought we were gonna go play games though. Let's see what this shit's actually doing. Oh god. Oh, my tits. Oh, dude. My tits hurt so much. Holy shit. Alright. Waiting for it to be on digital. Well, like on a streaming service. Is it not? It's been out a while now, right? Must be soon, surely. Dog, when's it coming out? On Disney Plus. As you know, as a is it? It's not Disney, is it? Or is it Sony? Oh my! Well, if you don't know, then who does? If you don't know, nobody knows. Oh, Paramount. Who's Paramount owned by? Well, they're not owned by anyone. Oh fuck yeah! They have their own thing, don't they? All right. Well, guess I'm putting on my pirate cap. Alright, where's item? Okay. That's still bugging. What's a Viacom? Who are they owned by? Yeah, I don't know. I've lost track of who owns who and how many I'd never download a movie. That's way too many gigabytes. Okay. So let's see. We create an empty. Drag in. Not that. Stream.io. Oh. Is that the current cool kids thing? Yeah, right. We got him, boys. We got him, officer. There he is. Okay, so we... So how can Viacom just become Paramount? How does that work? Okay, you see the problem here now, boys. You see this? This is why. I don't get this. Douglas, explain this to me. You see this? I wrote a simple script. You saw me just literally sets the circle's position to the tip of the pen's position. But anything that's parented under a freaking bone or whatever does that. Which is why this is so whatever-y. Why is that? How do I not make this? I don't get it. Makes no sense. It makes no sense. Because look, this is the code, literally. Mover position is the target position. It's an update. Maybe it have to be late update. Late update might help it. But I just don't know why it does that. And then because I'm trying to... It might... Yeah, late update might fix it. But then I'm going to have to do that for everything. Oh, it's so annoying. Actually, wait, I don't even need to go back with the testing. I can just do it straight to the pen. Item. Hi, whoever said that. I don't know who said that. Late update. But why would that... Why would it do that, though? Like, I want to know the root cause. Like, is it just rigged things? It must be, right? Because I don't think I've noticed this problem anywhere else. Like, is there a setting that makes it not? Or, you know, like, it's just, there's so many questions. Like, updating when off screen. Quality. Does that... I assume the mesh doesn't affect it. It could be IK. That is true. Because I'm using VRIK with an animator. Maybe the root motion. Like, there's so many things it could be. Cull updates, always animate. It could be always animate problem. Update mode, fixed, unscaled. Oh, too many things. I don't like it. I don't like it. But late update should fix it, because that happens after like everything. So VRIK and animators and stuff. I don't know. I just dragged the IK script onto it, so I'd have to dive into how the IK works. VRIK. Ew, it's a lot of words. I don't know. It's been called from somewhere. There's the only... Okay. I don't know where this is being called from, but it's not in this script. Why there's so many bombs? Yeah, me neither. Let's just see if that should fix it, probably. Oh, that just broke it. No errors. What? Oh god, what achievement is that? Oh, yeah, everyone's just dying. Okay, so this is just fucked. It just fucked. Just not drawing at all now. Let's see why that is. I mean, wait, it's drawing the pens somewhere. But the position isn't changing. It's drawing the lines, it's just the same position. So now it's just not getting the position at all. Maybe it needs to be early, not late. Where's previous position set? Here. Oh my god. So... Oh, that's only the first line. To get things started right. Or ended. I'll edge you now. Well, thank you. See you, Gogo. So it's just not drawing because it only does it on the distance. Well, it's moved enough distance to put down another like point. So the position, I think it needs to be early because late seems to be after. It's like snapped back to a fixed point. Alright, so that's just fucked. Can't do that. I'm gonna have to just play around with either the animator or the VRAK or something. We'll get to the bottom of this, boys. Got me. What are my hands doing? Down, hands, down. So what are you guys in game doing? I haven't been checking up. You guys are behaving, right? Hello, wrong West. You're looking a bit naked there. Okay. Just double checking. Okay, good. Just gotta keep an eye on them. Make sure they're not up to no good. Let's just create the test. Test. Create a 3D sphere. Who? Yeah, they do that a lot. Alright, come on. Just work. No. Who? Okay. This like that. And then this. And then this. And then this. And then... You're not allowed. You get Dino Nuggies when you earn Dino Nuggies. Ooh, you gonna take that? You gonna take that? Personally, I wouldn't take that. Okay, well now where's the ball? Where's the... What? Well, that's fucked. Now it's just not moving at all. Have I not... Tip? Yeah. If I drop this, does that work? Okay, when I drop it, it works. Oh, it's all just screwed. No, not that. Now it's not even like... Was it only because I was in the scene? Maybe? Reattach this to the pen tip. God, it's so laggy when I'm in Yeah, it's pretty bad. Okay, well now it's still... wait, is it fine? I'm trying to click while also holding down. Oh my god. Yeah, why is it just there? It's meant to be following the tip. It's not. What if I make it follow the hand, maybe? Ugh. Now it's just over there. Oh, this sucks, dude. Maybe if I late update in this. Hey, Gamer Guru. Or Game Guru. Because if I let go of it... Oh, no, wait. It's yeah, but then, like, this is going to happen for every item. I need to fix this. See, it works when I'm not holding it. So... oh, that's just gone like that. Alright, so it doesn't work when I hold it, right? That's a given. So what if I change the animator to fixed? Okay, changing it to fixed Makes it flash. That's good to know. Normal is bad. Unscale time does nothing as well. Root motion doesn't change anything. Animating physics doesn't change anything. Wait, animate physics? You can animate physics? Always animate. Fixed. Or unscale. No. Fixed. At least I can see it. Or if I turn off VRIK. Oh! VRIK. As soon as I turn off VRIK, it works. Right. Okay. VRIK is the problem. That's that doesn't look healthy. Right. No, I'm not going to get rid of the rig. Actually, no, I might. I don't actually need VRIK anymore. I only got this because my previous hand asset could work with it. Admittedly, I will be wasting about 200 quid's worth of assets. The physics hands and the VRIK thing that I bought, both about like 80, 90 quid. So if I just stop using both of those, that is money down the drain. But at the same time, money is there to be spent. So, unless I can just change... Yeah. Yeah, what would I bind it to? Because even if I bind it to a position or like an empty thing that just follows the hand, it still has to follow the hand. And right now, it's not even following the hand. So like, if the sphere was the empty parent, it still wouldn't know where to go because VRIK is fucking it up. I could set it to follow my VR hand or like the VR position that it gets from the controller. But that's not going to always line up. I think I just need to get rid of VRIK and do the just normal animation rigging stuff, which is fine. It doesn't take too long to do that, and I don't even need the full body thing. It's just fine. You don't see my legs anyway. Yeah, I want it to though. I want it to be perfect. If I can get it perfect, I will. I'm very stubborn when it comes to that. Yeah. But I need it to look perfect, I'm a perfectionist. And it's not even too hard to get rid of it. All you gotta do... I have this saved. I have a backup, so like I can always restore this if need be. But all you have to do is get rid of that. Oh God, how do I do it again? Right. Who knows? That's the mystery. That's the mystery of my channel. What's under the bag? Are my eyes actually glowing, or is that part of the bag? You'll never know. Okay, why is this just not working? Hello? Oh, I turned off my headset. How'd that happen? I think it's just instinct to turn it off when I'm done with it. Okay, now... What the Alright, there we go. Do I live? What kind of question is that? Maybe? Define living. Debatable. Left. Yeah? Okay. I still gotta breathe air. There's a hole at the bottom. Spoilers. There's nothing under the mask. It's just my head, which is pitch black. Left arm here. So then you set the left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist. You want to set a target, and you want to hint. And you want to click the target. Click the left wrist. Animation rigging align. Click the hint. Click the elbow. Animation rigging that. And drag that back a bit so it bends in this direction. No, it has no physics. Drag the target. Drag the hint. And then left hand. Right tracker. Right tracker. What is all this? I don't know what this means. Hey, Luke. How'd the blender go 1 second stay until the end? I got a really shit outline, then I gave up. And I realized I don't think I'm built for it. Because I just thought ahead, and like, I can follow a tutorial, but like, I'm not gonna be able to make my own stuff. I don't have that ability. So I think if I am gonna do Blender, I'm not gonna start with the really hard thing. I don't think I can treat it like a Unity project where you just think of an idea, no matter how hard it is, and then just figure it out step by step. In this, I think I got to get to know the tools first before I even attempt to take it on. So I can't approach it in the same way, which is annoying because I like to approach it in that way. So I'll start with small things, maybe like making bike cosmetics and things like that on stream. You keep on dying. How do you keep on dying? Oh, God. How am I doing this? Because this needs to follow... Okay. Private transform left hand mover and left hand target. Do the same with right hand. And then do we do that update? Control VR. Left hand mover dot position equals left hand target dot position. Left hand mover dot rotation equals left hand target dot rotation. No, I just put them on the ground. You see, they're not moving. It follows my mouse though. The right hand follows my mouse. So based on the mouse position, it will move based in the world. So, yeah, if I move it more to the right, the mouse position increases, which then increases the position of my hand. Obviously, scaled down a lot. Because it's, I think, in the thousands. I got a 2K monitor, so if it was moving 2K units in a world, it would be pretty crazy. Right hand mover dot rotation equals right hand target dot rotation. Drag that shit, put that shit in this shit, and let's see what it does. Yeah, another achievement. 400 times. Dear God, you guys like to die. Oh, let me stretch. Oh, that's good. That's a good stretch. Oh, God. Kill me. Well, at least somebody's having fun. That's nice. Right, elbow, wrist. No, dinner is coming later. It's chicken soup today. Never. How dare you? I'm a sophisticated woman. You can't talk to me like that. And then elbow. And then yeah. Honestly, I don't know why I go live when my dinner's ready. I think it's mostly because I like not okay, this is gonna be I like it that I then don't have to eat dinner with my family.
Because then I come down afterwards, they've all finished, and I just take my dinner up to my room and I watch some like Netflix and eat dinner, which is my preferred way to eat dinner. But normally I have to just eat with the family. So yeah. Maybe that's just me. We want to copy that and that. All right, that should work. At least for the arms. It's not going to rotate the body, but the arm should rotate. And we'll test with the pen just to make sure this is working. Otherwise, I've got to revert it all. Or the what? The airheads. What the hell's that? Okay. Ah, my poor hand. Where are my hands? What the hell? Uh-huh. Drugs good. What? Why? What? Okay, so the hand's moving. The target's moving. Oh, yeah, I got a separate rig. Forgot about all that. You can't just drag a simple thing, and you gotta go here, you gotta go rig, builder, and then under here, rig. On the drugs? Did he? My guy. XD's nuts. Alright, there we go. So now it's all rigged up. Alright, we're good. We're good. Now this should work. What are you guys fucking doing? Let me just tune back in. What are you doing? What is that? What the fuck? Oh. Right there. Oh, okay, my guy's just disappeared. Good shit. I assume I'm under the water. Help me, I'm under the water. Okay. Okay, they're moving. They're just a bit high up. That's not good. Might need to move this. Ooh. That doesn't look healthy. That doesn't look healthy. Okay, but there you go. It's moving. It's a bit gross. Yeah, I did it like a spider. Yes. But well, let's see if I can actually do something. My decrepit little hands, yes. Not that. Not that. Not that. Pen. Does it draw normal? It draws normal. Okay, so this is a solution. It's not doing the weird little thing. Is their name spelled correctly? Yeah, let's see. This just. Oh, that's. Oh yeah, I gotta not do that. If I want to increase the pen size. Oh my god. Everything's red. That's a big line. Oh my god. Okay. Well, on the plus side, it works. Yeah, it's a bit. Oh wait, Rosie's trying to join. Let's have a look. Wait, did that work? Is Rosie in? Did it work? It didn't look like. Did it work? Wait, where are you? Okay, well I'll go take a little break from working on dev stuff just to give the in-game bites. Oh god.
Okay, there we go. All right. Head offset. Nice. Back to this. All right, there we go. Hey everybody. Let me just sleeping or dead pose. Very well. Very well. No, no, they don't work. Oh, I can't grab my accepting thing. Well, I'll just feedback stamps. It doesn't get it. Feedback stamps. No. Feedback stamps. Okay, there we go. Just to remind myself to this, I'm meant to be able to grab stamps from the water, but it's not working. Do you know? I don't have any money. I'm sorry. Nothing to give. I have a football. If you want a football. There you go. Yeah. See? I had about the football. And you lost it immediately. No, we're playing football today. We're playing football. And you're gonna like it. Alright. You just take the ball and you kick it. But you know what you don't do? You know what you don't do? You don't kick it into the ocean. Okay? Is that understood? Alright. Take the football. There you go. No, just kick it around, but try and keep it on the sand, alright? You're not getting another one. Dear God. At least they're keeping it there. Oh. Oh, no. Oh. And there it goes. More? More. Fine. You get a couple more footballs, alright? If you lose these ones, you're not getting any more. This is my final warning, alright? There you go. Oh, no, that didn't. Wait, can I not do that? No, I guess not. Alright. There's one. There's two. There's three. They've already lost them all. There's four. They're all gone. They're gone. Hey! Back up. Back up. I did not. It rolled. You should have intercepted. Oh, look, there's one. All right, there you go. Come on. It's all you have left. Cherish it. Cherish it. Or just... Yeah, you guys suck. Alright, that's it. Now you get very fast football. Oh, see, look, the gun's fucked. Look at that. It shoots so much higher. It's because of the little buggy thing. Give much footballs as they need. They can have gun. They can have a gun then. Guns are much better. Oh god. Oh, they're firing it. They're firing it. They just murdered one of their own. Okay. This is only slightly better. Yeah. Now I've created an endless death machine. They can't help themselves. Can you believe this shit, Rosie? Can you believe this? Incredible. It's just crazy. It's crazy. You give them any form of power and they just abuse it. They can't help themselves. Gun. All right, you guys want to play a game? We haven't played a game in a while. We got two options. Well, yeah, only two. We got two options. Would you rather play Guess the Number or Connect 4? Those are your two options. We don't have Connect 5. 4, 1. What does 1 mean? Number. Connect 4, you have a grid and you got to get 4 things in a line, either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. These aren't 40. These are just numbers now. What? I'll guess the number. Just can we have just okay? Say no. We haven't started. Guess the number yet. No. Yeah. Okay. The reasonable people. Dodger. Oh, there goes Rosie. Dodger. What? Hey. What do we play? Connect 4. Guess the number. I am not. You can keep it. I'm good. Okay. Well, seeing as the Danish don't understand how to play Connect 4, we'll just play We'll just play Guess the Number. We haven't started yet. We haven't started yet. Give me a second. 1 second. Let me think of a number. Oh, wait. Is this even going to work? Oh, it's not even going to... Fuck. It's not going to work. Yeah, it's not going to work. Let me see. Wait. Yeah, my buttons are... Okay, wait. I can, POV this. You guys see that? You see that? It says start and stop. There's meant to be a button there. There's no buttons, so I can't click them. God damn it. This sucks. Also, alert. Thank you, Royale, for the follow. Yeah, no games. I guess I could just... Let's just turn it off. I guess... I could just think of a number. We could do it the manual way. We'll just do it the manual way. Alright, I'm going to think of a number between 1 and 1,000. Go. We might be here a while. No. Not seeing it anywhere. See, this is the thing. I can't. If I miss the message, then. Oh my god, the voices. The voices are getting louder. There's so many voices. You can't just go 1 through. Oh my god. I don't. No, I'm not. That's not even between 1 and 1,000. Ah, my brain. Oh my god. Somebody just got 1 number off it. Somebody just got 1 number off it. I won't say who. Let's see if... Alright. It's in... I'll give you a hint. It's in the 600s. It's in the 600s. Oh god, that's a lot of numbers. I don't want to miss it. Oh, wait, who's that? Wrong got it. Wrong West got 677. 677. It's 677. There you go. Congratulations, Wrong. Yeah, Doi got it later. I saw Doi put 676 or something, and that's when I said it was 1 off. But then I saw Wrong put it first. Maybe he didn't. I don't know. Check the logs. Check the logs. But he put it. Well, Wrong put it in game, right? So can't really check the logs. But no, you get I don't have anything to offer. You can have. Okay, you can't have that, dude. Everything's broken since I've changed my hand thing. Okay, there. Oh, these are broken as well. Oh, fuck this. Let me just... Feedback, player, item, giving, broken. There you go. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it's all just fucked. It's all fucked. Me? I'm still here. How did you lose me? I'm stuck in this hole. No, I try not to. Wait, was that Gugu? Right? Wait, my voice is glitchy. Wait, why is Gugamund here? He said he left. Make your goddamn mind up. Oh god, what now? It's 2 hours. 2-hour achievement. You came back. Oh. I thought you went to play a game. No? Okay. I don't think he has the facilities for that. I don't think anyone could destroy me here. But yeah, anyway, what do you guys think of the island? I kind of want to add some more stuff to it. I'm not sure what, though. I am. Because we got fire pit. You know, very nice. You can chill out and do whatever you do. I wouldn't go near it though. Warning. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Don't go near it. Don't go near it. Don't. They don't listen. They don't listen. Do you know why you shouldn't go near it? Oh wait, you do respawn. Wait a second. He respawned. I thought if you go in the fire, you can't respawn. Has it fixed itself now? See, Van Cantris went into it. Is he gonna respawn? See, Van Cantris isn't respawning now, so okay, I think if you run into the fire hard enough, yeah, I think there's a chance that you just can't respawn. So if you run into the fire, there's a chance. I think I know why. I think that's because if I detect it first, you just die normally. If you detect it first, you die forever. So, yeah, yeah, they're up there. You go to here forever to just float for eternity. Yeah. Look at them. Just merged into one. Yeah, limbs and things everywhere. Behind me, I can't, I mean, I can turn, but I've got so many cables. Wait, what do I look like when I turn? I don't think I look normal, do I? Oh, no, that doesn't look normal. Yeah, there's nothing behind me. Is this just another major look? And now my cable's all fucked up. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Yeah, okay. You know what? It's just, well, I wouldn't really call it a game. It's just my stream. Well, I made this just for my stream. Just for them to fuck around and while I do my dev stuff, but it's yeah, not really a game. Faster walking and running speed. Faster walking and running speed. No. I think the walking speed and the running speed is like good relative to your size, you know? Like Rosie, do a little run. Demonstrate a little see that like the legs move at the same like it looks like you're moving at the right speed, you know? It looks actually, if anything, you might be too fast. I could probably slow you down even more. Your legs actually are moving a bit slower than like the ground is moving, so like well, I don't know. I could slow you. Yeah. Why are you still there? Get out of here. This guy, he's so flip-floppy. But yeah, no faster. Maybe I can add like drugs or something that speed you up. You know, maybe some motor oil will give you a speed boost or something. I don't know. God, I've got so many things on my to-do list. Half of those things are just fixing bugs. Is requesting what? Oh, well, that's up to them. I can't make them kiss. I'm sorry. Hey, Hydra. A second forever Deathfire. So you want ways to die forever? Oh, you know what'd be funny? If I added a thing that kills you and it just closes your game. It just Alt F4s you. That'd be funny. Right? But how would I do that? When would that trigger? I could make it an item. I'll make it an item that I can give you guys. How about that? And when you hit someone with it, it just closes their game. How about that? No, they just jumped into the wall. It's inconvenient. I wouldn't say it's scary. It's inconvenient. But also quite funny. Yeah, fuck it. I'll add it to the to-do list, seeing as my request system's a bit fucked right now. Right? See, it's inconvenient. I love inconvenience. Feedback, close game item. Alright, there we go. Trio that wants attention. Also, hey, bad developer. Gambling as my beloved. Oh, we love him. Dude, all the ads that I get on Twitch nowadays are just join the military, join the Air Force, join the Navy. Those are the only ads I get anymore. Mm-hmm. You want uppies? Is that what you said? No, not you. Not you. You want uppies? My uppies doesn't really work. You just kind of vanish. Or die. Or both. You see. Oh, wait, no. Are you alive? I saw you for a second there. No, okay. What if I... There we go. Okay, that... What do you see right now? I don't think you see what I see. It's another problem with the, that we just... Yeah, underwater. So, yeah, right now, your camera thinks you're down there. Because the position's all screwed up. This should be fixed by next stream. But it's kind of funny this stream. And you're just, like, in my wrist. You're like a watch. Dude, I got the Rosy watch. Look at that. You know those TikToks where people flex their they try to like indiscreetly flex their watch like that. Oh, I dropped my thing. I dropped this thing. Oh, look at this. I dropped this thing. The Tamagotchi watch. Dude, I remember fucking Tamagotchis. Mine would always starve to death. I think that was a point, right? The whole point of Tamagotchi was that they eventually starve to death. It becomes so hard that they have to starve to death. I think that was the whole point of it. And it's such a sadistic, nihilistic choice for a kid's game. But, like, it's funny nonetheless. Also, yeah, it's going to lag me out. Okay, that's not updating. Auto screenshots, queue count, not updating. I didn't want you to talk, AI. Oh my. Feedback, auto screenshots, not updating. When I ask if I don't put the word feedback in it, the AI thinks I'm talking to it, so. I like Club Penguin. Me too. Me too. Yeah, it's called Nova. I don't know. Give me a question to ask Nova. It's an AI, so it can do most things. Yeah. See, Nova's my Valentine's. All right. Nova, do you like cheesecake? In a minute, like next week. Well, I think that's a no. They have no opinion. Okay, well, they're just... Nova, are you my Valentine? Aww. That's kind of a yes. It's not the worst rejection I've ever had. So hey, Karasopi. Alright. These two are just like... These two just lost the plot. They're just ranting about some taking over shit. I don't know, dude. Right. Where's the fan art? How to be happy. Oh god, what was that? Die 600 times. Thank god. Die much? Nova, how do you be happy? It just came across as Nova. It only got the Nova part. It doesn't understand what I say, I'm telling you. Nova, how do you be happy? Like, if you pause even for a second, it doesn't register it. Fuck relationships. Gratitude. Cringe. What about murdering people? Does that help with happiness? It feels pretty good. I mean, I can. And I will. Hmm. Come again? You want to go on vacation to... Why would you want to go on a vacation? Why would you want to go on a vacation to a volcano? A thing that actively just spews out magma and will kill you. With fire and brimstone. Because it's awesome. But it's just rock. What's so good about a freaking volcano? Other than rock. He's not. Oh, I keep forgetting that they can trigger. Why did I even add the ability for them to pull the trigger? It just means I can't ever put my gun down now. That's the only thing that's done. This aim is bad. There you go. I saw you. Okay. No. I'm putting the gun up there. No one's allowed it. No. A toggle where you can disable by trigger. That would probably be useful, wouldn't it? I can do that with the bombs. If I point at the bombs, I can turn them off. Come again? What's the weather in Kelowna, British Columbia? What the fuck is that? Oh, wait, I should know. We own it. A disease? Okay. Yeah, I guess... Oh, right. Mm-hmm. So we own you. Is that what you're saying? Mm-hmm. Right, anyway, who you calling Baldy? It's nice that I can just grab them and they instantly die. There's a slight benefit of the bug. All I have to do is grab them. But Nova is ChatGPT. She's just ChatGPT with a different disguise on. With a mask on. Oh god, yeah, this is fucked. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can do it. Look, if I just grab people. Poof, they're gone. Cease to exist. Well, the thing is, I can't really pick you up, as, you know, obvious reasons. Hey, Bo. Under channels I might like. Bruh. Not on your follow list. How rude. How rude. Gun has collision. Gun do have collision. I could lift you up. But I'm only going to do one run. So you'll better pile on. My palm doesn't have colliders. It's just my fingers. So you're going to have to stand on the finger bit. Okay, well, everyone's just... Okay, I don't think it's going to work. See, the physics isn't great since I removed, you know, the physics asset. Maybe if I do 2, double it up. Just okay. I don't think you're all gonna fit. I don't, you're too. Yeah, stop pushing, guys. Stop pushing. I don't think this is gonna work. Yeah, the physics ain't great. Yeah, just keep jumping, and you'll make it. There you go. Oh, everyone says that. Everyone says that. But Mumbo Jumbo doesn't have a paper bag. He's just British and has a moustache. But there's no paper bag. It's rude. How dare they? It's like it's like going up to any VTuber and just being like, oh, you're like Shy Lily, because Shy Lily is also a VTuber. You know. How is the code? Exclamation mark code. If you need a code. Oh, my back. Oh, my brain. He's just British and in a suit. Oh, wait, does he have a suit as well? Bastard. He stole my look. Oh, God. No, it's because I went to the gym yesterday, and I did back. Oh, that bastard. Well, to be fair, it's a compliment to be compared to Mumbo Jumbo, I guess. I guess. But he doesn't have a paper bag, so he's not as cool. Oh, my face! This has squeezed my brain. Alright, I think it's time to get back to development, or even pretending to develop. Because this is just my brain. So you guys just enjoy doing whatever. I think I am, technically. I don't know what else I'd be.
Oppa. Alright. Hands. Oh, yeah, right. What? Oppa. You need to go harass someone? Well, don't let me stop you.
Oh, God. Where'd my pop filter go? I dropped it.
Goddamn. Alright. There we go. Whoa. Forgot I could reposition. Alright, let's just do that and that. Okay, what am I doing now? What am I doing? Exclamation mark code, and then you get the code, and you can use that to join. Alright. Can I be asked to set up all the IK stuff right now? Honestly, no. Well, you can try and bomb yourself into it, I guess. Bye, whoever that is. I can't see names. No. So many fucking achievements. Deaths, of course. I really got to get rid of the death achievements. It's too easy. It's too easy. Right. So what else needs to be added? They're just sort of like random achievements I came up with. You know, deaths or viewer counts or followers or whatever. Boss fight when? I used to actually have boss fights. That was quite. But then again, boss fights. It did encourage spam. But to be fair, boss fight against players wouldn't be too bad. But then I'd have to add like systems or something. Because how do you damage me? You obviously got to damage the boss or beat the boss. Then again, doesn't necessarily have to be damage. It doesn't necessarily have to be damage. It just could be like kind of like complete a task, but I have to try and stop you at all points. You know. Oh, you can't join. Let's have a look. Yeah, you have to use your Twitch username. You can't use abbreviation. It has to like link the two. So make sure your name is Kexi0_0, and then it should link it. I still need to add that. That's just, okay. Something I've been meaning to do forever. Is to make that more obvious because everyone does it. So when they put in username, they put in their own username. But I need to add a thing here. UI text make a guide. You don't want to know. She doesn't like you guys, so you know you don't want to hear that. No, been there, done that. Why can't I see this? Why can't I see this? What the hell? Okay, I guess I just can't create text. Oh, wait, the font's just gone. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Sure, this is... Let's do that. Put a little disclosure next to the username input. Bogos Pinted. Alright, let's do this. Top left. What does that look like? Hey, Gorilla. Just do that. With a little arrow, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Something about the micro skin just propels people. I don't know why. But honestly, I'm going to keep it because I quite like it. It's funny. And we need an arrow. Favorite song? Probably Sleepyhead. It's the song that means the most to me. My computer's lagging. Goddamn. Sleepyhead by Passion Pit. Oh my god. From Family Guy. No, songs are broken. They're fucked. Yeah. It's sad. So we're just going to have to listen to some island music. There should be... Well, you can just type !voice followed by whatever... right? Followed by whatever accent you want. Should just be a command. Three, 5, 5. Oh yeah. Well, to be fair, you don't really need it. That's just if you want to find a specific one. If you want like an English accent, just do !voice English or !voice American or French or German or whatever. The only benefit of looking it up is it tells you which accents there are because there isn't every accent. Yeah, Irish. Is there an Irish one? I don't know if there is an Irish one. It'll probably just give you like English or something. So yeah, again, you're American. And if you do American space male or female, you can change the gender. And it'll just give you a random one. There is not. You can try and get other people to blow you out of it with bombs. You know, that could work. Or that. Oh, well then, wait, where are you stuck? Where are people getting stuck? Every time they get stuck at the mushroom. Alright, well, if you fuck around with the mushroom, then you deserve to be fucked around by the mushroom. Opinion on Cheez-Its? We don't get them. We don't get them in the UK. Maybe they're like what's it? But I don't know. I don't know. Can't comment because I never had them. Unfortunately. No. So I'm assuming you don't like them either. Alright. Make sure it's exactly the same. I think that bold. Great, now I'm hungry. Yeah. Yeah. They refuse to dig me up. Oh, hello, Tremai, how you doing? How you doing? Wait, don't the Irish have their own language? I swear they have their own language. Let me. Yeah, Irish Gaelic or simply Gaelic. Yeah. Did the Scottish have one? Because the Welsh have their own language. The Irish apparently have their own language. Do the Scots have their own language or not? Or maybe they speak a bit of Gaelic too. Oh no, it's indigenous to Ireland. Yeah. Well, it says it's a Celtic language. Gaelic. Hell yeah. England for the win. Alright, that should fix that problem. So hopefully people don't do that anymore. Totally. What am I doing? What am I doing? I've lost focus. So my hands are fucked, but I'll fix those later. Or I could just do it now. Minus 1,000 social credit. I can make you disappear. I don't know about grab you. But I can make you disappear. Okay. Oh, you're the guy that's stuck. Do I want to do that? Am I feeling generous? Am I feeling generous? What benefit is there? Oh god, no, I gotta go back to this. Yeah, what benefit to me? What do I get from freeing you from your prison? Because, I mean, you did get yourself in there, so surely you can get yourself out. I did say I won't help if you get stuck. So why should I? Uh-huh. But you don't think that already? See? So then if you already think it, then Alright, I'm not gonna pick you up. But I will shoot you in the face. So, there you go. That's compromise. Right? See? Don't say I never do nothing. Oh my god. No. Bad. You don't. You just... You gotta be in the game to get a bite. And then, yeah. And then you just talk. And then it TTS's. I already got to fix these bugs. Exclamation mark tutorial, and it'll tell you how. Alright, let me just think. Oh, my brain. Yeah, goddamn. You're gonna behave? Oh, that'd be a first. That would be a first. Exclamation mark tutorial. And then it'll give you a thing. What am I doing? What am I doing?
What am I doing? What do I need to work on? Like, we need some more shit for you guys to do, right? Underlying problem. But it needs to... Oh, yeah. You can't play on mobile. I mean, I can. Add the link to the game. I thought about that, but there's only so many characters you can have, and it's quite a long link. And the tutorial already had quite a lot of characters. So I was just, I didn't put it in. Plus, you can always just do exclamation mark game, which I could just put into the tutorial. But exclamation mark game will, yeah, it's like, wait, hyperlink. I don't know how to do that. I assume that's like a shorter link, but at least to the same place, right? Oh, thank you, user. Yeah, I think it's quite nice looking. It's coming along in like appearance-wise. This project is like there. It's exactly where I want it to be. It looks exactly how I want it to look. I gotta figure out what the fuck it is I'm doing, because I need to make content, right? All of this is just to make like TikToks and shit. So that's what I need to do, and I can only do that if I cannot. Those islands don't even have collisions; they're just for show. What does it look like on your end? Hi, back. I had an ad. I'm dead. Laggy. I see. How do you even live? You just survive. Sorry, I can't help myself. That dad joke, it keeps me going, gives me life. It's the only thing that keeps me going. We'll go back to something else. Lethal Company kills. Interesting. To be fair, Lethal Company is, I think, fairly well optimized, right? It's quite low poly, low resolution. Anyway, getting distracted. I need to think. I don't know. You'd have to ask the Americans. I am a Brit. Oh, to be fair, they were fighting the Brits. Oh, no, wait. Not in the... I'm thinking of the Civil War. Never mind. Yeah, that was Brits. Yeah. I always get the Revolution and the Civil War mixed up. But yeah, I don't know. By the sounds of it, we got our asses handed to us by the Americans and the French. So, but that's understandable. The French don't like us. I don't know. I don't like tea, which I think I might be the only Brit that doesn't. True. So, like, can they really blame us for hating them? I was. I got front row tickets through Eventbrite. It's a good website. Get your execution tickets quite free there. Quite cheap. I wish you could get free tickets. Or you could just watch on the news, you know. King George, a bit of a prick, I'll be honest. Bit of a prick. As most kings are. Yeah. Bloody monarchy. I don't even know why we still have the monarchy. It's kind of crazy. It's a very, very old concept. You know? And we start, then again, it's becoming a bit more modern now. Fucking Trump trying to become the monarch of America a bit. How do you get free tickets? You love this game? This game doesn't have anything in it. There's nothing to do. Other than blow yourselves up like that. Yeah, I need to add IAMs. I just keep putting it off. I mean, I've added the pen now, so the pen should be working by NetStream. It's not going to be synced over the network because that's a lot of information to synchronize. But I do need to add. You've almost made your owl bear. What are the devil horns about? Satanic owl bear? Nope, and dead. I can add some custom cosmetics, by the way, if you want. I do need to start, like, practicing my Blender skills. So if you need any custom, like, cosmetics made, I can do those. Yeah. It only works on stream because it's connected to my TTS account, my Google Cloud account that does all the TTSing. I can make it so you guys can do that, but it's a lot of hassle and setup, and most people probably won't do it, which is why I haven't added the ability for you guys to do it yet. Like, you theoretically could right now, but it's a lot of setup, and you have to, like, connect your payment method and stuff. There is not, but I can add an eye patch. Right? Take every single cloud. It's a lot of water. I thought you said you gave up on Blender. I didn't give up on Blender. I gave up on remaking my model as the first thing I do. I need to get familiar with the tools first. Make smaller things. Because that when I said I wanted to learn Blender, I was like, fuck it. I'm gonna just do the same approach that I do with Unity. I'm gonna think of an idea and then I'm gonna make it. And I'm gonna, if I don't know how to make it, I'll look up the steps. You know, at each step, I'll look up how to make it. You can't really do that with Blender. It appears. You kind of have to start small, then go bigger. But, like, yeah, my whole, thought process up until now has just been, think of a big idea and then learn the small steps that take to get up there. But you can't really do that with Blender. It's different. But yeah, I can add owl horns or something. Well, if you send a reference, I can just try and make it, because I do need to start making some more cosmetics. So an eye patch, a owlbear horn thing, maybe some eyes. I don't know if you want big eyes, if that's appropriate or not. I hear your cheesecake hat. I choose to ignore it. What does cheesecake even look like? It's just gonna look like regular cake. How do you make it look like normal, like non-regular cake? Maybe. Oh my god, so many suggestions. So many suggestions. I've added pets before. I don't know if I'll do it again, because it increases the file size of the thing by like half a gigabyte, maybe even a gigabyte. Because there's so many pairs. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe. There's a long to-do list. All these things are on it, but, like, I don't know what to prioritize. A pirate sword? If you say guillotine again, I swear to God. I swear to God. Pirate boat. Why do you even want this stuff? Why do you just want mac and cheese? What the fuck is this? I'm not busy. It's so, like, I want to do the Blender stuff on stream, because developing, I found on stream, is quite hard. Because I'm already running the app, and then I'm running the app in Unity as well. So it's like doubled up. The headset doesn't know which one to look at. It's laggy as shit. So I'd rather not develop on stream. I'd rather do Blender on stream. So, like, I'm going to have plenty of time. It's just going to only be while I'm streaming. So I could start today. But we're getting to the almost 3-hour mark, and that's normally how long I go for. So, like, I don't know if I want to start it now. But I'm streaming tomorrow, so, like, I probably will do it tomorrow. So if you send some references, then I'll make I'll make like a request page, channel thing, whatever you call it, in the Discord, where people can just put pictures of things they want added, and then I can make them on stream. Yeah. Let's do it that way. I think that works. Because I'm not going to remember it by tomorrow. Right? I'm so nice. Giving you guys everything you could ever want. I can't promise that the models will be good. I am still, you know, starting out, but like I'll try my best. And hopefully I'll get better over time. What does a mac and cheese hat even look like? What, Discord? Exclamation mark Discord. And it'll give you the link. D. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but like, it's hard to make things look like mac and cheese. It'll just look like a lumpy soup or like porridge or something. It's not gonna look like mac and cheese because it's very low poly. That happens a lot here. We do run in circles a lot. Okay. Well, that'll be the plan for next stream, and I'm gonna try and get all the hand shit sorted. PvP maybe. Not. Yeah. A giant bottle of Parmesan for snow. Oh, my brain. Oh, my brain. Oh, and I enabled pass-through mode. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh. Why? My brain can't. I can't keep doing this. Okay, good to know. Oh, my brain. Oh, my brain. No. No. Oh, my neck. No, it was the Parmesan that put me over the edge. You trying to replace me? I die for 2 seconds, and then somebody already tries to replace me. You know what? Fuck it. You be the streamer. Why do I just? I'm gonna just disappear. How do I disappear? Wait, what if I do this? Let's do this. What if I do that, and then I? There. I'm gone. You're in charge now. There you go. You guys can just take over. I'll just be the cameraman. I'll be the camera operator. How's that? By the way, if you press F4, it opens up a little stream view so you can see what stream sees. I'm gone. Long gone. There's not much to blow up, and he just... Okay. Just jumped into the wall. Good stuff. You guys happy now? You having more fun now that I'm gone? Oh, that's the 800th death. A likely story. A likely story. Now, you guys don't need me anymore. You're all grown up now. I'm just here to spectate. Honestly, this actually feels so much nicer. I took my headset off, so, like, my brain isn't being squeezed anymore. So I'm all for it. Eat the axolotl. Well, I don't have a mouth, so... And also, I'm not here. I'm dead. I'm gone. You can cook them on the fire. How about that? Alright, fuck it. Op. Op. I return from the depths. You know what? I'm just gonna chill up to my neck. How about that? I'm just gonna be here. Don't mind me. I'm on your guys' level now. Yeah. See. I've sunk further. I've sunk further down. Go back down. Wow, so rude. I can't. Now that I'm up, I can't. Freebie. Get closer. Dun 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 dun. Is this close enough? Okay. Okay. Hop. Hoppa. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Okay, this really is a fucking Valentine's stream. Sure. Okay, now that I have no physics, it's so much harder to swat you guys away. You're like little freaking insects. Be gone. No, I'm gonna chill in my lagoon. Chill in my bath. No. Oh, look at that. Bless. Okay. I am Finn of the water, and my wisdom is, give up. Give up on everything. Your aspirations are meaningless. Your dreams are futile. Just give up. You do that, bud. Oh, nice. It worked. He fell for my trick. Nice. They're falling for it. See, this is how you weed out the weak ones. The strong ones are the ones that stay. The weak ones are the ones that give up. Okay. Well, look at you. Look who's talking. I'm still submerged. I'm submerged up to my freaking eyeballs, and I'm still taller than you. So who's speaking? Lots of Mauis. What's like the film guy? Maui. Oh wait, are those the stone heads? Oh yeah, they are, right? Yeah, that would be kind of cool, wouldn't it? I should get some of those. They're funny. They're memeable. Hey, back it up. I should. Should I have some Mauis? Mauis would be funny. Because it does fit the vibe, and they are, like, very memeable. Feedback, add Mauis. Alright, there we go. The taste of Finn's Lagoon. Salty. Fuck Kanye, so I'll take Tool. No. I don't take orders from you. I'm the king. You know. Contrary to popular belief, I have the power here. I choose to be in this position. Wait, what? What the fuck are you guys even talking about? Alright, fuck it. I'm up. Alright, I'm back. Daddy home. The fuck's this guy doing? I think his computer finally kicked the bucket. He's done for. Bless him. It's fine. I'm not angry. I'm just disappointed. Oh, actually, this is another feedback. Feedback VIP bigger. VIP big. Close enough. The VIP chat is way too small. You've never seen me jump. You have more proof of power than you. Well, have you even... I have legs. I do have legs. So I have the ability. Look. Oh, wait, no. Look at that. Oh, look at that dumpy. Yes, I might be on my tippy toes, but, like, I do have legs. So I could theoretically jump. I just choose not to. Oh my god, look at my fucking toes, dude. Look at that. That don't look healthy. Yeah. Yeah, right. Yeah. Look at that. See? Just you only see the top of the iceberg, you know? You don't see the bottom of the iceberg. I don't know why the fucking modder decided to give me such a fat ass, but I do. So my feet, they have shoes on, so unless you want a view of shoes, those are floating. I'm pretty sure he's dying. Yeah, his PC was already struggling, and now he's not talking. I think he's lost all motor function. He is medically brain dead. Yeah. Brain death has occurred. I tried. Anyway, well, we're coming up to 3-hour mark. Yeah, fuck it. I'll call it for today. Just because, well, we got another stream tomorrow anyway. I need to... Oh, actually, no. I think I've come up with a schedule. A solid schedule. I think it's going to be 3 times a week. Streaming 3 times a week. Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays. I think that's going to be my consistent schedule from now on. No. Which means then I have 4 days of uploading. And I guess I can alternate the Saturday and Sunday if I am busy on Saturday. So yeah, I'm going to try and stick to this, a constant routine. It's about frickin' time. So. Also, how about no? Ah. Well, that's new. Congratulations, I guess. Yeah, good job. While tempting, I'm gonna let them keep it. They've earned it. They earned it. But anyway, yeah. So yeah, 3 times a week. Streaming Saturdays, well, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, which means I can develop in between and make TikToks and all that bullshit. Let's just do that. And anything else I need to say? And yeah, tomorrow we'll just be doing Blender stuff. I'll be making you guys cosmetics. Maybe I'll create a request channel in the Discord. But then we got a lot of we haven't been here long then. You haven't been here long. Or enough. Because I had a whole season where I was a Minecraft guy. And I also did that thing where chat plays Minecraft using my keyboard. So, where you been? Huh? Where you been? That's what I thought. But yeah. So that's what we'll be doing, and yeah, I'll just get all the bugs fixed, and hopefully my hand's fixed, and all that shit. So, knock them off? No, they get to stay there to the very end, because I'm nice like that. Today is a day about being nice. It's Valentine's Day. When else am I going to be nice, you know? So, thank you guys for coming. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and, yeah, have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice Valentine. You wanna be my Valentines? Yeah? For those that don't, because I don't have one. So, yeah. Hell yeah. Fuck it. Valentine's overrated anyway. But yeah. Wow, I'm only 26. Then again, if you're underage. Anyway, we're not going to get into that. Hi, Water Angel. Bye, Water Angel. But yeah, see you guys later. See you guys later. That's not old. That's not old. A 6-year gap. Oh, God. I am old, aren't I? Fuck. Fuck, I'm old. But yeah, thank you all. Thank you all. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Have a nice day. And, see you tomorrow. So, Ta ta for now. Bye bye.